everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. So all three of us will be making today's video, which is we are talking about how Lyft is now raising rates for drivers, and they are now giving drivers guaranteed pay. So we're going to be discussing that and also a bunch of other topics. So before we dive in, I wanted to let you guys know about an awesome opportunity to start earning extra money with TikTok Shop. This is a way that both myself and Izzy, are you doing this too?
Yeah.
Both Izzy and myself are making money right now on TikTok Shop. So I don't know if Izzy wanted to be like private with that, but
I don't care.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so TikTok recently launched do you want to explain what TikTok Shop is?
Yeah, so it's a section on TikTok where you can buy things. It's usually pretty cheap too, and they're basically competing with Amazon right now.
Yep.
And what's cool about TikTok Shop is that as a creator, if you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can basically be an affiliate and add these products, like link them to your video, and whoever buys the item from your video, you get commission of that sale. So that's how you can make a lot of money.
Yeah, and creators are making thousands and thousands of dollars. And the best part is you don't need to show your face. You don't need to, again, you don't need to have a big following. You only need to have 1,000 followers, which you can get pretty quickly. And you can start making really good money. You can be a brand new, you don't even need to have TikTok on your phone. Like you can just literally download it. And we are now teaching you how to do it. So if you click the link below, you can join the membership group and you can start to learn how to make all this money on TikTok Shop. Right now, there's a 30-day free trial for members who sign up. So you'll pay $000 when you sign up for 30 days. Try it out, join our group chat. And if you don't like it, you can cancel. But I think you will really like it. And again, you can learn everything you need to know to start literally making money pretty quickly. Like how fast do you think somebody realistically, a brand new beginner, can sign up and start making money? Probably like a few weeks, I would say.
I mean, even like right away, you could make a little bit.
Yeah. But to start and get the 1,000 followers and then start getting commission. Couple weeks probably. So it's really quick. Like, and if you're posting every day, you'll start to gain followers. So anyways, check that link out below, join the group. If you don't like it, again, you can cancel, but I'd love to help you guys and help you along the way, because this is a really, really incredible and unique opportunity right now to make money on TikTok, because again, they're competing with TikTok Shop, or they're competing with Amazon. So they're investing, millions and millions of dollars into this. So they'll help promote you basically, because they're trying to convert people to buy exclusively on TikTok Shop. Okay, let's get started with the first topic. Want to read this?
Yeah, so Lyft extends 70% pay standard to drivers nationwide.
So Lyft is changing the way that they're paying drivers now.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so earlier this year, the company introduced a new standard for drivers, ensuring they will always earn 70% or more on fares per week after external fees. If drivers are ever under 70% at the end of the week, Lyft pays them the difference. So Lyft is doing pay guarantee.
You know what this sounds like?
Solo?
It sounds like Solo. Guys, if you don't have Solo downloaded, you need to download it. I think Lyft is kind of stealing this business model from Solo. Basically, I think Solo's better though. I mean, you can do both, obviously. And this is not an hourly thing for Lyft. It's more like a per ride. But the way Solo works is if you sign up for a hour and you don't make that amount, like let's say this is Lyft, for instance, or if it is Amazon Flex, whatever, whichever app you're doing, if you don't make that in the hour, you'll get paid the difference. And right now, Solo will give you $10 when you sign up with our link, literally just to sign up and link your account. But yeah, it's really interesting. So it's kind of weird because I have two major concerns with this. Number one is the fact that they had to do this in the first place, meaning there was enough drivers who were making less than 70% per ride, or less than 70%. So they're saying that drivers will go out and make, only 60 up to less than 70%. 70% isn't that much like of the fare.
They should have already like been doing that.
Exactly. And they should have raised it up to like 80%. Because like that means every single ride Lyft is taking 30% or more. They have been. So I don't know.
And it's like they're not even doing any work. Like the
Yeah.
driver does all the work.
The driver's doing all the work, yeah. So really interesting there, but yeah, they're thrilled. The Lyft CEO says he's thrilled to extend this to all 1 million plus drivers on the Lyft platform nationwide. Wow, there's over 1 million drivers nationwide now. That's crazy.
I thought
That's
there'd be more.
Huh?
I thought there'd be more.
More than 1 million?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe but maybe Uber has like 2 million.
Oh,
So maybe
okay.
total there's 3 million plus all the delivery apps. That's
Oh, yeah.
crazy. Like the amount of gig workers in America it's probably close to 10 million with all the apps combined.
Yeah.
Like think about Amazon Flex, Instacart, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, like Walmart Spark. There's so many different apps out there. Maybe around 5 million, I would estimate.